asking price and all inspections completed within just 5 days. In spite of the short time frame, Rita and Marie make a new offer meeting the seller's terms. A few hours later, Zana calls with the news.
Guess what? Our offer was accepted.
No way.
We got it?
Yeah, we got it.
Now we have to have those inspections done in the next few days so we can remove our contingencies by Thursday.
Thanks so much, Zana. That's awesome.
Bye, Zana.
Rita and Marie now have to complete all paperwork and inspections in the next few days or risk losing the house they love.
Okay, so I took a look around the house and underneath the house. So there's a few things to address. There's a couple of soil mildew, which is a kind of a big problem these days. It causes spores and,
You don't want that.
ill health. And stuff. So I think you need to do a French drain all around the house because there's the excess moisture, and there's always going to be soil mildew if there's excess moisture.
What is a French drain? I don't know what a French drain is.
It's an underground drain, so water can come in, but soil can't, so it
I
stays
see.
clean. We had to put in a pump and pump it all the way out to the city street gutter.
Do you have a figure in mind, ballpark? What do you think?
Probably somewhere around 15,000.
And that's just on the French drains?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
It's not like an emergency, but it just needs to be taken care of
Yeah.
at least the next couple of years, I would say.
Oh, okay.
All right, so if you come with me, I'll show you some of the stuff I found downstairs.
Sure.
Thank you.
This is asbestos, but they painted it, and the airborne asbestos is supposed to get contained by painting it real well.
Okay.
So I don't think it's too much to worry about, but it's good to be aware of. I think the most important thing is the French drain.
Okay. And that was again, I'm sorry, 15,000?
Approximately.
Oh my God.
I'm going to write up estimate for you.
Hearing that inspector mention, just at the very mention of $15,000 worth, it was completely unexpected. It was shocking, and just, this seems like it may be a deal breaker for me.
I'm still very much. I still love the house.
That night, just 10 days since they first saw the house, Rita and Marie hash out their decision.
We love it, and it's 15,000. I mean,
Are we gonna have that a year later though? I mean, we've got closing costs and insurance and property tax.
property tax. Property tax.
I'm scared.
She said roof and foundation are usually the things that have problems. This has completely sound foundation and completely sound roof. I don't want to let $15,000 be like, oh, we're not taking the house.
That's true.
Just because that would really suck. So we're gonna do this. Let's call her.
Let's do it.
Let's call her. Let's do this.
Hey, Zana. Yeah, we decided to go ahead and agree to the contingencies, so we just went ahead and signed everything, and we're gonna send you the facts right now. We're a little nervous, but we're gonna be good. All right, bye.
How long does she say it'll take for them to let us know?
Well, she said she just needs to contact the sellers
And then they say
if
we
get in
get
from
it or
there.
we
Yeah,
don't.
exactly.
But that was the only thing we had to do was meet those terms, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get it.
Coming up on My First Home.
It's on. Hello?
Marie Sam and Rita Corey have always dreamed of tying the knot in their first home.
We plan on getting married in the backyard, which is kind of the very key thing, which is why we
We're
want
buying the house to have a wedding site.
no pressure.
But just when they thought they'd found the perfect place, it turned out to need some costly repairs.
Probably somewhere around 15,000.
Wow.
They decided to commit to the house anyway. Now they're waiting to hear from their realtor, Zana, whether the sellers will sign off on the final deal.
Hello? Hey, Zana. Oh my God, I
What'd she
can't
say?
believe it.
What'd she say?
Just because we got the inspection done in 5 days. It's ours.
No, we got it.
Oh my God, we're gonna have a home, she said.
As their closing date approaches, Rita picks up some home items with a Middle Eastern look.
I love a lot of your stuff here. My partner and I just bought a house, and
great.
my family's from the Middle East and her family's from China, so we're trying to blend both cultures together.
Well, if you have any question, let me know, and I'll be happy to help you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Later, Marie joins her and throws in some ethnic flavor of her own.
I love this.
It's based on an old Chinese-style cabinet.
Oh, that's great. They go right in. I like the doors. The doors are really nice.
That's gorgeous.
We have found an armoire that we loved.
Absolutely loved it. I'm excited.
First thing we saw walking in the door, fell in love with it. Seems to be a pattern here.
Finally, the big day arrives when Rita and Marie will become official homeowners.
You ready for this? Yes. You know you're going to be signing your life away.
We're ready.
We're ready.
But what I'd like to first start off with is the first page. Your estimated closing costs. These are your fees.
Okay.
And does this look like what you've been told before?
Yeah, that's what we were discussing with the lender and everything.
Okay. Yeah. Well, can I have both of your signatures?
Okay. There's a lot to sign.
Okay.
Yes, there is a lot to sign. We're going to get down to the nitty-gritty. And here is the truth of lending, which is a statement from your lender showing you what your interest rate is and your mortgage will be monthly. Last document, guys. We're done. This is the deed of trust. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The most surprising part of this whole process was how fast this actually happened. Making the offer, getting the counter offer, getting the house.
It's been a roller coaster, scary and exciting at the same time.
As soon as they get their keys, Rita and Marie race over to the house to savor the satisfaction of being new homeowners.
It just feels good to know that you're stepping into this space, which is yours, you own it. I think first-time home buyers should definitely be expecting some major ups and downs.
It just feels like now we can breathe a little bit, which is great. This home is very much a symbol of a new life. Start our own family, a place where we feel really welcome and a place where we feel supported and actually a home.